Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm gonna do this makeup look right here. This one is an Indian festival makeup tutorial. Because Rakhi is in this month, so I thought why not do a makeup tutorial on that. And I kept it neutral so that you can pair it with any colored outfit that you want to. This one is super quick, super easy, and looks gorgeous. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to apply this Maybelline Master Prime. This one is an extremely hydrating primer. I'm just going to hydrate my lips with this Organic Harvest lip balm. This balm is such a good balm. Just love this balm. Next, moving on to the base straight, I'm going to take my foundation, and this one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Next, I'm going to apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer under my eyes. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to highlight under my eyes. My forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. I love the way how this concealer brightens my under eyes. Taking my Bharat and Dorris loose powder, I'm just going to bake my under eyes. I'm just going to set my entire face with this powder. Now I'm just going to put some concealer on top of my eyelids, just like a dot as a primer. And then just set it with some loose powder so that the eyeshadows blend really easily. Moving on to my brows, I'm going to use Maybelline the Nudes palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. And I'm going to set my brows with this Miss Claire clear mascara or transparent mascara. This was actually clear, but with usage it turned brown. This is actually going to help my brows stay in this shape for the entire day. Moving on to the eyes now. Today I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. So taking this mustard brown color, I'm just going to put it in the crease of my eyes. As a transition shade, just to have a nice wash of color in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this taupe shade and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes. And then just kind of connect everything, not taking any extra product. Next, I'm taking this shade. This one is silver with a little hint of pink. So I'm just taking it on my fingertips and applying it right in the middle of my eyelids. And just bringing it in the front so that there is a light sparkle in the inner third of my eyelids. I think I need a little bit more depth on the outer corner. So I'm going to take this chocolate dark brown and apply it in the outer third of my eyes, like outer corner. I'm not taking any extra product, I'm just going to connect everything going through the crease of my eyes so that there is no harsh line. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that the silvery pinkish color here. Actually, the pink hardly shows. I'm using my Body Shop bronzer. I'm not going to contour my face today, so I'm just going to use my bronzer. So for the blush, I'm gonna try out the Wet n Wild color Icon, and this is the color. This one is a very pretty color. This one has a bit of gold flexes in it, but it looks pretty. I think this will look really good if used as a highlighter, but then this will be a very subtle highlighter. But as a blush, my cheeks are like shining. It's actually making my pores prominent. Anyway, moving on. I am just going to add this highlighter. This one is from the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. And I can't find my brush. Okay, here it is. I'm not yet done with my eyes. I'm going to use the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. Just to define my eyes a little. Not going intense with my lower lash line. It's just lining my waterline, and I'm going to smudge my upper lash line because I don't want a harsh line. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade. I'm going to take the same shade that I put in the inner corner of my eyes, like inner third of my eyes, and put it in the inner corners of my eyes. Just to brighten that area a little. The same shade on my brow bone. I'm also going to apply the same shimmer shade in the inner third of my eyes, like lower, lower lash line. So moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to use the Body Shop Shimmer Waves, and I'm just using a random brush. This gives a very subtle glow to your skin. This one is a lip liner from Maybelline. I'm sorry I don't have the name, but this one is a mauvey brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips and fill my lips with this. And now I'm going to use this Lakme Enrich lip crayon, and this one is in the shade Peach Magnet. So I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to use another mascara, and this one is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then please share it, comment on this video if you want to, subscribe to my channel, also press the bell icon so that you can be updated every time I upload any new video. Also hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.